What is up, Togs? Okay, this is absolutely disheartening. Not that I've got a new device, something to play with, but the fact that I unboxed everything one at a time and it stopped recording. But instead of showing you the unboxing all of these things one at a time, let's just talk about what comes with the DJI Mavic Mini Fly More combo. So typically with buying the Mavic Mini, you get with the Fly More combo, you get a lot more for your money than if you just bought all of these other separate things apart from just getting what you see right here. You get 2 extra batteries with a dock that will charge all 3 batteries at once. You can see there. This dock also acts as a charging station. So this not only charges your batteries, but in a bind, if you've got 2 extra batteries and you're done flying, you've actually got a charging station here for not just this, but anything else that you might have, right? If you're a guy like me and you're out filming all day long, in a bind, it's awesome to have another way to charge your devices. Okay, so we're gonna put all this up here. These are the joysticks that go to the control. You also get the Propeller Guards, which is awesome for me because this has no crash detection. You know, the DJI Mavic Air has crash detection. So if you're getting close to a tree, you're getting close to a wall, a car, if this gets close to something, it's going to detect it. Not this, the DJI Mavic Air, if it gets close to something, it's going to stop you from running into it. This is going to protect you, protect your drone, you know, to an extent, but it's definitely going to protect the propellers. And as we talk about propellers, the Mavic Mini Fly More combo comes with not 1, not 2, but 3 extra sets of propellers. So that means you get 4 more in here, which means you've got a full set and a half of extra propellers that come with the Fly More combo. Okay, so not your typical unboxing because you didn't get to watch me take all the things out of all these tiny little boxes. But again, that's not super exciting. You did get to see what comes here with the Mavic Mini. And even better, we're gonna go out, fly this thing, show you guys what this little thing can do. So before I go outside, let's talk about the capability of the camera on this drone. Now it comes with this little case that comes so it can protect this tiny little camera. I mean, look at the size of this camera. This is my thumb, and this is the camera. Tiniest little camera that comes built into this drone. This tiny little camera gets 2.7K resolution. So we're talking about the same resolution that I shoot my videos typically on my motorcycle in. If you're not a regular to the channel, I do moto vlogs. So what you see on my moto vlogs, that resolution that I shoot my moto vlogs in is what you're gonna get out of this camera. But again, it's gonna be different because we're gonna be looking at things from a distance, from the air. So let's just get to it. And again, let's do one more layer of this besides just the unboxing, okay? We're going to close this thing up. And we're gonna put this side by side next to another DJI product that I own. This is the DJI Osmo Mobile 3, okay? So in its smallest form factor, the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 is not only heavier, much heavier than the Mavic Mini, it's also, I mean, if you look at it, it's about the same height, I would say. This is definitely smaller in width, and it's definitely smaller in length. So we're talking about the tiniest of tiny drones here. The Mini Mavic does not want for a whole lot of quality as far as picture goes, and we're gonna find that out right now. So let's take it outside and have a look at what this thing can do.